In this video, we're going to use the average annual consumer price index table to convert the 1978 minimum wage from actual dollars to $1996. So the first table we have here is the federal minimum wage table. Okay, and on the right side of that we have the CPI table. So this table gives us the average annual CPI. So now we have the actual dollars for 1978 to be 2.65 cents, and you want to convert that to $1996. Okay, so the trick here is that we are not going to use this 6.38 cents in our calculation. Okay, but rather, after we do the conversion, after we convert this actual dollars, which is a 2.65 cent, to the $1996, we're going to compare that value with what we have been given on the table and see if that is consistent or not. So we're going to set this problem up using proportion. You're going to keep the same years, you're going to keep the years on one side, and we're going to keep the CPI values on one side. So we are comparing 1978 and 1996. So we keep that under one column. And for CPI for 1978 on the table is given to us as 65.2. And for 1996, the CPI is 156.9. Now, under the dollars, we want to find the actual dollars. So we're going to convert the actual dollars for 1978, which is a 2.65, okay, to $1996. Okay, we don't know what the $1996. So we're going to pretend that we are not given the $1996 column on this table. So at this point, we have all that we need to be able to solve for x. And in solving for x, you have to apply cross product. We're going to multiply 156.9 by 2.65, and you divide the whole thing by 65.2. This gives you 6.38 cents if you round it to two decimal places. Now you realize that this value that we just calculated is consistent with what we have on the federal minimum table, and that is $1996. Okay, so we can say that the result is 6.38 cents, and that is consistent with the entry in the accompanying minimum wage table because the result value is equal or close to the minimum wage table value of 6.38 cents. So that is how you go about this problem. I hope this helps. Thanks.